Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Dribble TV on your television using an activation code, follow these simple steps to start streaming your favorite content. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store for your TV's platform, such as Roku Channel Store, Amazon Fire TV apps, Apple TV App Store, or your TV's built-in app marketplace. Step 2. Search for Dribble TV in the App Store search bar. When you find the official Dribble TV app in the results, select it to view more information. Step 3. Download and install the Dribble TV app on your smart TV. Wait for the installation to complete, which usually takes just a minute or two depending on your internet connection. Step 4. Open the Dribble TV app from your TV's app list or home screen. The app will launch and display a welcome screen with sign-in options. Step 5. Select Sign In or Activate Device from the menu. An activation code will appear on your TV screen, typically consisting of 6 to 8 alphanumeric characters. Step 6. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and visit the Dribble TV activation website. The exact URL will be displayed on your TV screen alongside the activation code. Step 7. Log into your Dribble TV account using your email address and password. If you don't have a Dribble TV account yet, you'll need to create one and select a subscription plan. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the designated field on the website and click Activate or Submit. Return to your TV and wait a few moments for the app to refresh automatically, displaying your personalized content library and allowing you to start watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.